Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a red lentil rice, which is one of my family's favorite dish. So I thought, why not I share with you all. In this recipe, I'm going to use nice colorful vegetable along with spices. If you like this dish and this video, please like, subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share with your family and friends. So I'm going to introduce now ingredient which is you will need for this recipe. So let's get started. 1 cup of mixed frozen vegetable. Specifically I'm using peas, corn and carrot, but if you have a fresh, it's perfectly fine. 1 medium potato chopped, as you can see, nice small cube. 1 medium size chopped onion. Coriander for garnish. 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds. 1/2 teaspoon salt according to your taste. 1/4 teaspoon grated ginger. 1/2 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder according to your taste. 3 cardamom, it will give you nice fragrance. 2 tablespoon light olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, again it's according to your taste. Few curry leaves. 1 cup of water. 1/4 cup red lentil and 1 cup of rice, which is I use for this recipe basmati rice and long grain one. Now we're going to wash this rice and soak for 1 hour, so as red lentil too. That's why I need only 1 cup of water. But if you use this rice wash and straight away for your cooking, then you need 2 cup of water. But because of in this dish I'm using a soaked rice for like a 1 hour soaked rice, that's why we need a less water. Now this rice is soaked last 1 hour, and also I took out excess water, so as red lentil too. So that's why we need only 1 cup of water. So we're going to heat up this pot in a medium flame. So now I'm adding oil first, and I'm going to wait for a couple of seconds. Once that oil heat up, then I'm going to add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. It's now warm enough, so I'm going to add mustard seeds and going to wait until it's popped up. It's very important that mustard seeds pop up in oil. That won't give you strong flavor. And once you heard cracking sound, then you add cumin seeds, curry leaf and ginger paste. Now I'm going to add onion, Now I'm going to fry this onion until light brown. Now I'm going to add all spices. Cumin powder. No cumin powder. Turmeric powder. Pasuker.
Turmeric powder.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to add turmeric powder. Chili powder. Coriander powder, along with cardamom, and salt, and tomato paste. So now I'm going to turn down heat and wait until everything nice mix. Now I'm going to add mixed vegetable. And potato, and we have to constantly stir so it doesn't get burned. And then all spices mixed with vegetable and potato as well. Now once I'm gonna see that oil is slightly releasing, then I'm going to add lentil, and rice. Now I'm going to add water. And I'm going to leave this flame that much, like a medium. And once we're going to see some bubbles, so I'm going to leave this flame like a medium, not high and not low. And then once we're gonna see bubbling around the rice and vegetable, see it's bubbling around the rice and vegetable, then we're going to cover with lid. And I'm going to turn down flame slightly low so it cook thoroughly. So we're going to wait another, I could say that 15 minutes, but we need to check every now and we have to wait until all water absorb. At same time we need to check rice and vegetable that it cooked properly. So after 10 minutes I'm going to check that water is absorbed and rice and vegetable is cooked or not. And look, if you think that a rice not cooked, you can add little bit of water because different rice need different quantity of water for cooking. Now looks like a rice is ready, but still I like to check that, make sure no water in there and all vegetable is cooked. So I'm just checking potato. Yes, it's cooked so nicely, and rice also cooked and looks colorful, and it looks so yummy. This looks so colorful and it looks so yummy. I can't wait to try. It's so yummy. I like that combination. Rice, lentil, vegetable, nice flavor of a herb, curry leaf. Very nice. We, my family, enjoy this dish. I hope you all like it. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.